Okay, good morning. Okay, good morning, all of you. Welcome to SSLC mathematics class. Yesterday, what did we learn? Mean median mode. Mean median mode completed. Next, today we are going to discuss graphical representation of cumulative frequency. Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. So, exercise 13.4. In graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution are three types: lower limit, upper limit, median. Three types. First, exercise 13.1, first problem. Okay, the following distribution the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income number of workers 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Convert the distribution above to a less than type, above to a less than type. This is important. Less than type more than type, less than type, more than type. Okay, less than type cumulative frequency distribution. Simply, cumulative frequency distribution is simply CFD. This is the question. Solution. Less than type. Here, what is the less than type? 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Okay, so the frequency distribution table, the frequency distribution table of less than type is as follows, is as following. So daily income, what will ask? Less than type, less than, this is the lower limit to upper limit, less than, this is less than, this is greater than. Okay, so less than 120, 100 means what? Less than 120, only less than values, less than 120. So less than 100, there is no less than 100, less than 120 is there. Okay, less than 140, less than 160. Okay, so less than type means less than 120, less than 120 means 100, 120, 140, this is less than 120. Less than 120. Next to less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, less than 200. Okay, less than 120, less than 120, what is the limit? This is the least one 100 to highest one 200, 100 to 200, this is the limit. So less than 120 means what? Less than 120 means 12. This is what? Cumulative frequency. So less than 120, how many? 12. Less than 120, 12. Next to less than 140. Less than 140 is 100 also less than 140. 120 is a less than 140, 100 also less than 120. The least one, the starting is 12, ending is 10. So less than 140 means what? Less than 140 means 120 to 140 and 100 to 120 also. These two values also less than 140. These two values also less than 140. Less than 140 means this is a plus 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. Okay. Next less than 160. Less than 160 means 140 to 160 is less than 160. 121 to 140 also less than 160. This is 1, 2. These all are 1, 2, 3. These all are less than 160. Less than 160 means this is 12 plus 26. 26 plus 8, that is equal to 34. Next less than 180. Less than 180 means 1, 2, 3. They all are less than 180. Less than 180 means 34 plus 6 is equal to 40. Less than 200 means this one, these all are less than 200, total adding. So 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. This is the cumulative frequency. Next, taking graph. Next, this is the table. Next, graph. Taking upper class. Taking upper class means this is one table. In the table, the first ones. This is the one table. This is called upper class. Upper class. This is taking upper class limits, individual upper class limits, individual on x-axis, and their respective frequencies, and their respective frequencies on y-axis. Its volume can be first x-axis. On the x-axis, this is uppercase limits. So this is 120 to 12, first point. Next point 140 to 26, third point. 160 to 34, next point. 180 to 40, so next point. 200 to 50, these 2 points. So graph is this is 0. So x-axis upper limit, so 120, 140, this is 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 to 200. Next 12, 0 to 12, here this is difference is same, 20 difference is same. So here 12, 26, this is not correct. So this box, the differences must be equal. So this is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. Last one is 50. So 0, 120, 12. 12 means here 10. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So this is 12. Next 140, 26, 140, this is line 26, this is nearly, this is 26. By using scale and pencil and graph paper. Okay. Next 160, 34, 160, 34, this is near. 180, 40, 180, this is 180, 180. 180. Next 200, 250. This is the graph. Okay, clear? This is the graph. Lower, less than type. Less than type means less than 120, 100. Okay, this is upper means greater than 100. Okay, less than means less than 120, less than 140. And more than means more than 100, more than 120, more than 140. This is different numbers. So small confusion is there. So observe. Okay, observe the sincerely. So this is the first problem. This is less than type cumulative frequency. This is the problem. Okay. Next, fifth problem, third problem. The following distribution gives the production yield per hectare of wheat per hectare. Per hectare of wheat of 100 farms, 100 farms, FARMS, 100 farms of a village. So the following distribution gives the production yield per hectare of wheat, 100 farms, one village, 100 farms. So yield the production of the hectare of wheat production. So production yield table is production yield kg per hectare, number of farms, FARMS, number of farms, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. Convert the distribution to more than type, to a more than type distribution and draw Vogin. More than type. The first problem is less than type. This is more than type. Less than type means less than, this is the upper one, less than 120, less than 140, this is one. Here this is more than means greater than. So production yield, the frequency distribution table of more than type, more than type is as follows. So production yield, this is table, answer, this is solution. Production yield kg per hectare. This is more than one, so you have to take lower class limit, cumulative frequency. So more than equal to more than equal to 50. Here more means more than 50. Okay, less than 50, there is no less than 50, so more than 50, more than equal to 55, more than equal to 50. So next, more than equal to 55, more than equal or more than equal to 60, more than equal to 65, more than equal to 70, more than equal to 75. So more than equal to 50, this is 50, 60, 55 more than 50, 60 more than 50, 65 more than 50, 70 more than 50, 75 more than 50, 80 also more than 50. So these all are more than 50. These all are more than 50 means adding the total all. 2 plus 8, 10, 22, 46, 46, 70, 84, 1600. More than equal to 50 is 100. Next, more than 55. More than 55 means up to this one. More than 50 means the total all more than 50. So more than 55 means this is excluding the 50 to 55. More than 55. So 55 to and so on. So more than 55 means this is excluding the 50 to 55 or remove the 50 to, because more than 55 is starting 55 to this also starting 55. More than 55 means 55 to the last one. So 100 minus 2, 100 minus 2 equal to 98. Next, more than 60. More than 60 means this is 60 to this one. So 98 minus 8 is equal to 90. Next, more than 65. More than 65 means this is 65 to 80. So 90 minus 8 got 12. 90 minus 8, 12 is equal to 78. Next, more than 70. More than 70 means only these two. Like adding only these two or minus, both are same. So 91. Next, 78 minus 24, that is equal to 54. So more than 75. More than 75, 75 to 80, only 16. Or 54 to minus 38. 54 minus 38, 54 minus 38 is equal to 16. Okay. ORR simply more than equal to 50 means this is 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24 plus 38 plus 16. So more than 55 means this is 8 plus 12 plus 24 plus 38 plus 16. So more than 60 means 12 plus 24, 12 plus 24 plus 38 plus 16. More than 65 means 24 plus 38 plus 16. So more than 70 means 35 plus 16. More than 75 means only 16. This is 100, 98. This is 90, 78, 54. This one or this one, anyone. Both are same. Okay. So this is OR case. Okay, ORR. This is difficult means this one. Okay. Next, taking this is more than means taking lower class. Here lower class, this is more than 50. This is more than 50 to 55, 60. These all are on the lower class limits, individual on x-axis, and respective frequencies are y-axis. So what are the first two? 50 to 50 50 comma 100, 55 comma 98, 60 comma 90, 90. Next 65 comma 78, 70 comma 54, 75 comma 16. This is so graph. Lower class limit, lower class limit, cumulative frequency. So 50, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 100 up to 100. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 50, 100. This is the 50, 100. This one. 55, 98. 55, 90. Here nearly. This is 98. 60, 90. 60, 90. Here 90. 65, 78. 65. This is 78. 70, 54. 70, 54. 75, 16. 75, 16. This is the graph. Once again I will explain. Convert the distribution above to a more than type. More than type means more than 50, lower limit, taking lower limit. More than type means more than lower limit. Less than type means less than upper limit. Reverse, less than upper limit. So this is 50, more than 50 means 50 more means all are 50 more plus adding all. Okay. Next anyone, this one, cumulative frequency, this procedure or this procedure, any one single procedure we have to do. So not both. Okay. 100. So 50 greater than or equal to 55 means 50 greater 55 greater than means all means 100 minus 2, totally 100 minus 2. Next 100 minus 10, 90, minus 100, first 100 minus 2, 90, 98 minus 8, 90 minus 12. This is the procedure and points and graph. Okay, this is the two types. First one is the less than type, so third problem is more than type, and the second problem is a median type. This is a different method. Tomorrow I will discuss. Okay.